Hello, N Squad. Mister Mckenzie here. Today, I have something super exciting to share with you all. Yes, I've been talking about this for years. Years! It's finally here. I'm thrilled to actually introduce my very first professionally designed comic book titled Nikcarl Discovers a World on Wheels. Here it is in all its glory. Just look at the cover. Look at the cover. I've always been into colourful, vibrant designs, and I wanted to make sure that this comic book reflected that. You know, the front cover it really is bursting with energy, with our main character, Nikcarl, holding a very cute cartoon world. And that world is on skates, of course. But yeah, I really wanted to capture the joy and discovery that comes with skating. And I think this cover does just that. The use of a white backdrop keeps it simple but striking, making those colours and characters really, pop. Now, if we flip over to the back, you'll find a brief description of this sample copy. And check out our skate world character here. Dizzy and sitting down, taking a little break from all of that skating fun. But yeah, this is just a free sample of chapter 1, but it's packed with 6 pages of exciting artwork that I am very proud of. Every panel, every detail was carefully crafted to bring this story to life. Okay? And yes, this is just the beginning. I'm already planning out chapter 2, and trust me, I can't wait to dive back into creating more of Nikkarl's adventures. Yeah. So the full comic book issue will be coming out very soon. So if you want to stay in the loop on when it's released, be sure to subscribe to the official website, www.nikkarl.com. I will also leave a link in the description below. I'll also be sharing updates here. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel as well. Okay, well, that's it for now. But don't worry, I will be putting out another video shortly where I'll read and share the pages from chapter 1. It's going to be sort of like a comic dub, so stay tuned for that. Alright? And squad, take care of yourselves, and as always, don't forget to wash your hands. Tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms. In between. In between. All around the fingers. All around the fingers. All around the fingers. Now they're clean. Tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms. In between. All around the fingers. All around the fingers. All around the fingers. Now they're clean.